Welcome to part 4 of the video. I'm Poonam Dua from MA in Education Academy of Literature, and today we will discuss JMI MA English Entrance 2020 question paper. Just like the previous 3 parts, please note down your own score and mention the same in comments. Let us begin the video now. तो इस वीडियो की शुरुआत हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 से, क्योंकि 30 क्वेश्चंस हम ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं प्रीवियस 3 वीडियोस में. गैब्रियल गार्सिया मार्क्वेज ओरिजिनली रोट इन विच लैंग्वेज? गैब्रियल गार्सिया मार्क्वेज एक कोलंबियन नॉवेलिस्ट थे, शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर भी थे, स्क्रीन राइटर भी थे और जर्नलिस्ट भी थे. और इनकी सबसे फेमस बुक 100 Years of Solitude, जो कि एक लैंडमार्क है, 1967 का एक नॉवेल है, दैट वॉज रिटन ओरिजिनली इन स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज. So he is widely considered the most popular Spanish language writer. The correct answer is option number B here. Next question number 32. Dove Cottage is the name of which of the following? Dove Cottage एक हाउस है on the edge of Grasmere in the Lake District of England. Lake District से अब आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे. It is best known as the home of poet William Wordsworth and his sister Dorothy Wordsworth, जहाँ पर वो 1799 के आसपास कुछ around 9 years तक रहे थे. They spent over around 9 years of simple living over there. So option number B here becomes the right answer. Next question number 33. Octave and sestet are terms used to describe the components of which of the following? Sestet is the name given to the second division of an Italian sonnet. So sonnet here becomes the right answer, which must consist of an octave of 8 lines succeeded by sestet of 6 lines. So octave and sestet are components of a sonnet. Next question number 34. The Dicing and its sequel are episodes from the translated version of which of the following piece of writing? The correct answer is Mahabharata. Mahabharata से लिया गया है ये. The Dice Game was an important turning point in the great epic Mahabharata, and the Dicing and the sequel are episodes taken from versions of Mahabharata. Next question. Premchand wrote which of the following? Novels, short stories and novels, drama, novel, short stories and non-fiction prose. इन 4 में से क्या सही ऑप्शन है? प्रेमचंद, जिनका की असली नाम था धनपत राय श्रीवास्तवा. He was better known by his pen name Munshi Premchand, and he was an Indian author famous for his modern Hindustani literature, and he is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. He wrote over 300 short stories and 14 novels, many essays and letters as well, along with plays and translations. So many of the Premchand's work were translated into English and Russian as well after his death. Option number D becomes the right answer. Next question number 36. English August, an Indian story, is a novel by which of the following writer? English August, an Indian story, एक novel है written by Indian author Upamanyu Chatterjee. Option number A is the right answer, and it was first published in 1988. आप लोग additional information को भी note करिएगा, that will be very beneficial for you. And this novel portrays the struggle of a civil servant who is posted in a rural area and is considered to be very authentic portrayal of the state of Indian youth during 1980s. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट किंग जेम्स ऑथोराइज्ड वर्जन ऑफ बाइबल, और इन 4 ऑप्शंस में से क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है जो सही से अप्लाई होता है किंग जेम्स के ऑथोराइज्ड वर्जन ऑफ बाइबल पर? किंग जेम्स वर्जन KJV या KGB नाम से भी जाना जाता है, समटाइम्स एज द इंग्लिश वर्जन ऑफ 1611 और सिंपली ऑथोराइज्ड वर्जन. ये एक इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन है ऑफ द क्रिश्चियन बाइबल फॉर द चर्च ऑफ इंग्लैंड, विच वॉज कमीशन इन 1604 एंड completed as well as published in 1611 under the sponsorship of King James 6. It was translated by the Church of England and was first published in 1611. So option number A here. A option, it is a commissioned translation into English, is the right answer here. Next question. Who co-authored the book Tales from Shakespeare? Tales from Shakespeare is an English children's book written by the siblings Charles and Mary Lamb in 1807. So option number A here becomes the right answer, and it was intended for the use of young persons. While relating as much Shakespearean language as possible, Mary Lamb was responsible for retelling the comedies and Charles Lamb for tragedies. Next question. But at my back, I always hear time swing chariot hurrying near. These are the lines from a poem by which of the following writer? These lines are actually taken from the poetry To His Coy Mistress, written by the English author and politician Andrew Marvell. In this poetry of Marvell, which was written in 17th century, the narrator entreats a woman he desires to set aside her modesty and sleep with him, and he says, in these lines he says, "I'm always aware of time, the way time flies by." Correct answer, option number C, Andrew Marvell. Next and last objective question of this paper, who is the author of जूठन? जूठन, जो कि एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी है एक दलित राइटर की, जिसमें उन्होंने दिखाया कि किस तरीके से दलित्स को ट्रीट किया जाता था इवन आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. यस, दिस इज रिटन बाय ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि. Om Prakash Valmiki describes his life as an untouchable, or you can say Dalit, in the newly independent India in the 1950s, and Juthan refers to the scraps of food left on a plate destined for the garbage or for animals. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि, जो कि एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन इंडियन राइटर एंड पोएट रहे हैं, वेल नोन फॉर हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी जूठन, एंड जूठन इज कंसिडर्ड अ माइलस्टोन इन दलित लिटरेचर. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching it. You may contact us to join our online classes, and best of luck, a great best of luck from my side for any kind of exam that you appear for in your life.